Okay, found a nice little calm spot out of the wind. We'll just do a real quick recap. Came out here early morning, spent most of the time actually trying to catch the shad. Once I got enough that I thought I could at least do 2 sets. Turned out I only had to do 1 round. I didn't have to rebait. I pretty much got everything today on those shad that I caught this morning. Let me go and show you. The tennis ball stringer is doing its job, and this here is today's catch. It looks like 1 channel cat and 1, 2, 3, 4 blue cat. The biggest one, oh wait, 5. There's a bigger one down below that I'm gonna have a hard time getting to. I'll have to go show you once we get close to shore, but bottom line, it's been an awesome morning. All right, stay tuned for more. All right, pretty nice catch today. The biggest one is that guy over there on the end. Okay, I think we had enough shad. What we're trying to do today is try getting some catfish, do some jug lining, and see if we can catch maybe just enough to have dinner and try this spicy Thai catfish recipe that I really love. I have to go and show you guys how I cook that. I got some shad, took a little bit, but I think I have enough to at least give it a go. Got the jug lines out, got them dated and everything. So today is May 30. We're good to go, and let's see if I can catch a fish or 2. All right, let's go ahead and get situated. All right, let's see if we can do this. All right, and I think I forgot. I don't have my polarized sunglasses. Oh man, I forgot about them. What we're going to do is we're going to go around this point and head to these trees, and that's where I'm going to set up these jug lines, and well, we're just going to play it by ear. All right, I got enough, I believe, for at least to set out at least 2 sets of jug lines, and from there we'll just kind of play it by ear. So it's kind of what you got to do, you know? Okay, we've got the jugs deployed. I've got 6 of the blue ones back over here by this tree dealie, and then I've got 6 over here in this area. And now at this point it's just a waiting game. I'm thinking about I need to go get some more shad though, because I didn't get much when we were at the boat ramp, so just gonna have to play it by ear. Haven't really seen any movement yet, but as soon as there is some movement, we'll just kind of shoot over there and do a little kayaking and see if we can get something. All right, I've got one running over here to my left, and we're gonna go take a look at it. It's starting to move on me, so let's chase it down. All right, we've got a runner. Got a runner. All right, we got a runner. Oh, he's going fast. Oh, he's going fast. Let's see if I can get him. Hopefully, it went under a little. Hopefully it's not a gar. All right. Okay, he's pulling. He's pulling. Okay. Oh, it's a nice cat. It's a nice blue cat. First fish of the day. It's gonna be a nice blue cat. If I can just get him in the boat. Oh, right there. All right, let's see if I can get him good. All right, there we go. First fish of the day. Nice blue cat coming up on the branches here. I think we got enough for that spicy Thai catfish. Nice. All right, first fish of the day. All right, and we'll, shoot, I think it needs to go on the other side, this side. All right, I like it. Me likes. All right, we're gonna go and reset this one over here, and then I have a blue one that just went from all the way over here to over here. So let's go run that one down. He definitely needs to be taken care of. So let's see. He may have just broke free, or I may have something on there. And I'm counting. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the blue ones. So this guy's all the way over here. Holy cow! That went about 50 yards, and I did not see it go under. So I'm not sure if there's a fish on it, or if it just came loose. I don't have the decoy weights on here. I just have the little 6-ounce egg sinkers. But we'll know here in a moment. Once we come up to it, it'll start running on me. All right, so let's go check it out. All right. All right, let's see. It doesn't look like it's moving much. Okay. Just kind of drift up to it here. It may have just broke free. Shoot. All right, we'll just have to reset it. Okay. Yeah, I think it just broke free. Oh, no, 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 he's on. He's on like Donkey Kong. All right, another blue cat. Okay. This is a nice sized blue cat. I mean, not as big as that other one, but he certainly counts. So what I'll do is I'll just kind of grab this guy, put this in his jaw, and I use this as my stringer clip, okay? And that has prevented me from losing fish over the side many a time now, okay? There's a circle hook. Let's go ahead and get that set aside. And then let's grab the other stringer dealie and keep it in the boat. I'll lock it on here, and then we'll close it shut. And we'll be ready to rock with 2 blue cat now. Oh yeah, that baby's not coming off at all. All right, there it is. Whew, that was brutal. Kind of just getting the lay of the land. I've got 2 over there, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where's number 6? There should be 6 guys over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. All right, and then I got 1 over here that may be out of pocket. So we're gonna have to go look for this guy. All right, I found it. He's in the trees over there on the other side. So we'll have to check that out. That might have something on there. But let's go over here and set this one back out again. This is the blue one that had that other blue cat on there. And at this point, I would say it's a success. We got enough to do the little catch and cook Thai Spicy Catfish recipe. I just got to remember to go pick up some of that curry stuff, and there's something else I got to pick up. I think, oh yeah, some cauliflower fried rice, or cauliflower rice. All right, I'm gonna check this one. This one seemed to have moved. And then we'll go check that other one that's in the trees that may just kind of be tangled in there. All right, let's see. I don't think there's anything on that one. I don't feel anything. Nope. All right, let's just drop them back down again. All right. Let's go check on the other guy. All right, this guy's stuck in the trees. He's either stuck or we got something. So let's see if I can coax him out of here. All right. Oh yeah, there's one on. There's one on, but I think he may be in the trees, so I'm gonna have to play this one by ear. All right, all right. He may be in the trees. Let's see. All right, he's coming around. Oh yeah, he's a nice one. He's another nice one. Oh, he's slapping it. He's slapping it. Okay, let's move it here. All right, let's just drag ourselves out. Get past the trees. All right, all right. Okay. Woo! Fun stuff, isn't it? Wonder maybe I need to put you guys on the other side. Let's put you on the other side so you get a better view of everything. Right here. All right, let's do this way. Okay, I'm gonna drag us away from the trees. We now have, well, 2 blue cat and potentially a third if I can get this guy back away and landed. All right, he's taking out some line. Okay, and let's just throw this over. Let's get another one of these deals ready. Okay. It seems like there'll be a hot spot over here where this tree is, you know? Okay, let me see if I can grab them. It's one thing I like about having these kayak fishing gloves, because it's got some protection for you when you're grabbing these guys. All right, all right. All right, I think I got him. All right, I got him. Okay, let's get him in. Let's go grab the line here. Grab the line here. Okay. Definitely got a good stringer, I'll tell you that right now. Definitely have enough for a spicy Thai catfish recipe. All right, now I just gotta shut it close. If it's a big one, I don't put them on these laundry pins. Instead, I'll take it to shore and land them, and usually let them go now. I don't really keep the big ones anymore. But for these guys, I'll just use this, and about 5-pounders hold pretty well in here, you know. All right, let's go ahead and reel this one back in, because I think at this point we're just going to let everything soak, and we'll play the rest out. Okay, we've already picked up 2 of our lines, and really at this point it's I'm just going to let things soak. I don't think I want to rebait any, because I think we definitely have enough to do a catch and cook. In fact, I think I'm gonna go pick up the blue ones over there and just kind of get those cleared out, because yeah, I think we got 4 now, maybe 5. I lost count. Hey, it's a good day, and look at these things. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I got like fish slime big time. So it's a definitely awesome day to be out kayak fishing. Yeah, we're gonna just start picking up lines and just kind of go from there and see what happens. I think we got enough for our catch and cook, and I think it's gonna be a good one. All right. At this point, it's just gonna be picking up some jug lines, and I think I'm gonna let the yellow or the green buoys or jug lines kind of rest a little bit longer, or soak a little bit longer, because, well, actually no, this blue one just ran on me again. All right, let me go pick up this guy, and then we'll go run back and chase it down. All right, it's gonna be a chasing game today. I had chased down 2 already. Then I had 1 cut up in the trees, so that was pretty cool. All right, yeah, he moved on me. All right, let's see. All right, no takers there. All right, main thing when you're bringing these up is make sure you keep the don't let out any slack in the line, or next thing you know he's gonna come off on you. All right. Okay, let's go and find out what happened to this one. He either came loose again, or there's another fishy fish on there. And I believe at this point I've got 4 of the jug lines, and one of them kind of pulled away, so I might have another one on that one. So I think we got enough to do a little cooking tonight. All right, so let's just check this guy out, see if he's got anything on. Okay, this is that one that has got that little egg sinker, not very heavy at all. All right, let's see, I don't feel anything. No, not feeling it. All right, yeah, it just broke loose. Okay, we're just going to go ahead and bring him in. Okay, that green one that went away is over there. I'm gonna go try getting him, and hopefully see if there's something on there, or if not, we'll put him up. But it does seem like it's moving away from me right now. So let's go and kick up the afterburners here and crank up on the kayak, and put in a couple of harder strokes to get up close to him. It looks like it's slowly moving away. All right, it looks like he's slowly moving away. Let's see. We'll know here in a moment. Okay. Oh yeah, he's on. All right, he's on. Can't tell what he is again. We'll find out here in a moment. Little blue cat. All right. Kind of ran with it. Not a big one, but hey, he still counts. Ooh, he was barely on there too. All right, look at this guy. Cool beans. I'm gonna start picking up some lines. If anything gets hit, we'll run and chase it down. Bottom line, looks like most of the strikes have been with the jug line near the trees. All right, just by the trees. And then what I also noticed is I set the hooks about maybe couple of foot off the bank, so or not off the bank, from the bottom, and I'm hitting bottom with the weight, and then I'm just kind of releasing it at that point. So let's see if we can pick up some of these lines and then maybe get a feel for what the baits have been doing. If anything's been eating it or whatnot, that'll kind of give us a telltale as well. Luckily, we haven't get any gar. Shoot, there was another time I came out here where there were just gar after gar had just taken my jug lines, and I'd have to chase it down thinking I had something good, but lo and behold, nope, denied. But right here, I think we got enough for that kitchen cook. Plan on doing that later on this evening, and hopefully I'll be able to get you some good video. I'll probably do a premiere video, that way we can do some engagement and do like a two-way chat conversation while we're out there, or while I'm streaming. Okay, alrighty, cool beans. Okay, we're picking up lines, and I think this one has something on it, so let's pick it up slowly and play it by ear. All right. I felt some tension on the line, and it has moved a little bit from where I originally placed it. So let's see. Oh yeah, he's pulling. Let's see. Feels like a catfish. All right. Let's see if he's another blue cat. Oh, it's a channel. It's a channel cat. All right, first channel cat this round. All right, first channel cat this round. All right, cool beans. All right, we're still picking up lines, and I think there's one on this one right here. Let's see what this guy could be. All right, it is a little guy. Oh, we're gonna let this guy go. Looks, all right, he's a little one. Let that one go. Okay, we're gonna come up on the last one. We're gonna pick it up, and then we're gonna call it. Bottom line, I believe it was a successful day. We'll kind of do a little count once we get back to the boat ramp. Let's go ahead and pick up this last one, and we'll see if there's actually one on there too. Maybe it's one of those little guys again. Let's see. No, I'm not feeling it. Not feeling it. Nope, still got the bait on there too. Oh well. Okay, we've got everything picked up now, and yours truly is gonna head back to the boat ramp. As we get closer, I'll go do a quick touch base and show you what I caught today. All right, awesome day today. Stay tuned for more. All right, let's go ahead back to the boat ramp, and I'll give you a better visual of today's catch, and then we'll call it. And well, we'll call it, and I'll do that cooking portion, but first I got to do some cleaning. Got to clean stuff first. But a pretty good day, and it looks like the wind's going to kick up here in a little bit. I think they were talking about 9 to 17 mile per hour winds, so I think I'm catching it just in time before that wind kicks up. All right, we'll see you back at the boat ramp. All right, pretty nice catch today. The biggest one is that guy over there on the end. Pretty cool. All right, let's go load up and call it a day.